Starting off looking a little cray this morning. Hello, welcome to Monday the 17th. I was double checking the date before I said that. Yesterday was Father's Day. I spent a lot of time in the pool with my family for most of the afternoon. And so I decided that this morning it would be a nice time. We're going to be in the 90s and over all this week. We're in a heat advisory all week where I am in Ohio. And thus, I thought it would be a nice time to do a little hot girl routine. Hence, the fan might be heard. So yes, you might be able to tell from the hair. I just woke up a little bit ago and threw on a face mask. And so when it's hot, you're spending a lot more time outside. At least I am. I like to be out in the sun. I like to do yoga outside. I like to be in the pool a lot. So when you're spending a lot more time outside, when you wake up in the morning, I like to use a sheet mask. Sheet masks are cooling. You can keep them in the fridge for an additional cooling effect. And you don't have that traditional problem of, you don't have the problem of traditional clay masks, pardon me, of when you have on a clay mask, not only are you putting something pretty thick majority of the time on your skin, there are exceptions of course, but then once it dries, then you have to wipe it off with usually a warm or lukewarm cloth, and that can cause additional irritation if you have any sunburn or anything on your skin, or if you didn't get like fully sunburned but you got just a little more red than intended. Maybe you didn't get that sunscreen on quite soon enough for the reapplication. That was a weird way that I said that. But anyway, so I am using the Press Reset, not Perk Up. That's a different mask. That's actually the eye mask I have on. But this is an anti-inflammatory mask from Patchology. It was about $5 at Walmart. Yeah, they're selling Patchology at Walmart. I'm so happy. And Mario Badescu. I was like, oh, yes, please. At least at my Walmart. So this has aloe vera, schisandra berry, sage, and lavender in it. And those are all ingredients that are helping to cool redness. Aloe vera, as you are familiar with, is a great after sun care classic remedy for that. And sage and aloe vera, their properties will continue working long after your mask. This is a 10-minute mask for you to get all the benefits from it. And again, you have that cooling sensation. You don't have to wipe it off, and using a mask that has ingredients in it that are specifically designed for having that cooling skin soothing effect are what's going to benefit you a lot. There is also, again, as I previously got confuzzled with, the eye patches that I have on are the Perk Up eye patches. You might be able to see them underneath my glasses. And these have green tea, bergamot, and white mulberry. Green tea, again, green tea extract is great for anti-inflammatory, anti-redness. Having eye patches, one of the best inventions in beauty and skincare ever. Again, you can stick them in the fridge for that additional cooling sensation under the eyes, and it helps give you that anti-inflammatory, anti-redness throughout your day. And it's a great way before starting any kind of makeup. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to hit my workout, and then I will come back. And again, you can do swimming when it's hot. You can do outdoor yoga, and when it's really hot and you're doing outdoor yoga, it's very similar to doing hot yoga without the room. And, you know, just do your workouts outside. You can work outside just as much as you can inside, unless there is some medical reason. Of course, if your doctor advises that you do your workouts in an air-conditioned, ventilated place, do that. But if that is not a hindrance or an obstacle that you have to overcome, working out outside is great. You get to be, again, outside, out in nature, and enjoying that wonderful hot girlness, which I really appreciate because I live in Ohio and I only really have nice weather for 2 or 3 months. And then it's unpleasant the rest of the year. I love this. Other people hate being hot, but this is where I thrive. A previous partner once called me a reptile. He said that he's pretty sure that I'm cold-blooded.